Hello students, welcome to next lecture for field theory. Today we are going to discuss the definition of splitting field and the examples of splitting field. The definition is given as fx be a polynomial in the field fx of degree greater than or equal to 1, then an extension k of f. K is extension of f means k is a field that contains the field f as a subfield. Is called as splitting field of fx over f if fx factors into linear factors in kx, means if we have the factors of fx, then all the factors are linear factors and the factors belongs to kx, means every factor has coefficient from field k, that is alpha I belongs to k for I equal to 1 to n. Second point is k is the field generated by finite number of elements, that elements are the roots of the polynomial fx. Hence k is the finitely generated extension f joining alpha 1 alpha 2 up to alpha n, that is k is generated over f by the roots of polynomial fx in k. Then we say that k is a splitting field of the polynomial fx. For example, if we consider the field k is equal to q root 2, the elements of the field k are of the form a plus b root 2, where ab belongs to q. This is a splitting field for the polynomial. Then k is the splitting field of the polynomial fx is equal to x square minus 2 over q, because if we try to factor that polynomial fx x square minus 2, then we will get two factors because its degree is 2. One of the factor is x minus root 2 and other is x plus root 2. These are factors of the polynomial fx and the coefficients of that factors belongs to this field q, which is nothing but q root 2. The factorization of the polynomial fx belonging to field, these factors belong to field q root 2. Also q root 2 is the field generated by all the elements of the polynomial f of x over q. The roots of the polynomial f of x are plus root 2 and minus root 2, means alpha 1 is equal to root 2 and alpha 2 is equal to minus root 2, and the field k is formed by the extension generated by root 2 over the field q. K is the finitely generated extension q root 2. It consists of the another root of the polynomial, namely minus root 2, because this is a field root 2 belongs to q root 2, hence minus 1 into root 2 belongs to this field q root 2, that is alpha 2 also belong to this field q root 2. Therefore q root 2 consists of all the roots of the polynomial fx, and q root 2 is generated by the element root 2 over q, as well as fx factored into linear factors over q root 2. Therefore q root 2 is the splitting field for the polynomial x square minus 2. The another example is, second example, we have to show that the degree of extension of the splitting field of polynomial x cube minus 2 O belongs to qx is 6. Solution. Consider f of x is equal to x cube minus 2. This polynomial is irreducible over Q by Eisenstein criteria. The polynomial fx is irreducible over Q. To find the splitting field of this polynomial fx, we require all the roots of the polynomial fx. F of x can be factored as x minus 2 raised to 1 by 3 into x square plus 2 raised to 1 by 3 into x plus 2 raised to 2 by 3. This implies x is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 3 or x square plus 2 raised to 1 by 3 x plus 2 raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 0. From this second polynomial, it is of degree 2, hence it will have at most 2 roots. And if you find the roots of this polynomial, you will get root of this polynomial as a complex numbers. Hence, if alpha is root of the polynomial x square plus 2 raised to 1 by 3 into x plus 2 raised to 2 by 3, suppose the polynomial is px, then alpha bar, its complex conjugate, is also a root. We can see that 2 raised to 1 by 3 does not belongs to Q. Also, alpha is a complex number, hence it does not belongs to Q. But we get a smallest extension of Q that contains all the roots of this polynomial fx. We have 3 roots, 2 raised to 1 by 3, alpha and alpha bar for the polynomial fx. And we get the extension of Q called by Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 and alpha. This extension consists of all the roots of the polynomial fx, means if we factor the polynomial fx, then all the factors of the polynomial fx belongs to this field, Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 alpha. The factors are fx is equal to, one of the factor is this x minus 2 raised to 1 by 3 and other two factors are x minus alpha and x minus alpha bar, where alpha and alpha bar are roots of the polynomial px. All these factors belongs to the field Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 and alpha. Now we know that Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 is the extension of the field Q of degree 3. This degree of extension is 3 because the degree of extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 over Q is the degree of minimal polynomial for 2 raised to 1 by 3 over Q. This is equal to, if we consider beta is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 3, by taking cube of this equation we get beta cube is equal to 2. Therefore, the polynomial x cube minus 2 is satisfied by the element beta. Hence, the minimal polynomial for 2 raised to 1 by 3 over Q is x cube minus 2. This belongs to Qx. The degree of minimal polynomial of 2 raised to 1 by 3 over Q, this is nothing but the degree of polynomial x cube minus 2, which is equal to 3. Also, the degree of extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 alpha over Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 is equal to, for this degree of extension we require the minimal polynomial for alpha only. 2 raised to 1 by 3 belong to the field q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3. Hence, we only need the polynomial for minimal polynomial for alpha. Polynomial, we know that alpha is root of the polynomial x square plus 2 raised to 1 by 3x plus 2 raised to 2 by 3. This polynomial has two roots, alpha and alpha bar. Therefore, this is a minimal polynomial for alpha and its degree is 2. Therefore, this degree of extension is the degree of minimal polynomial of alpha, that is given by x square plus 2 raised to 1 by 3 into x plus 2 raised to 2 by 3, and its degree is 2. Now, using the result, if we have three fields, E is extension of, K is extension of F, then degree of extension of E over F is equal to degree of extension of E over K into degree of extension of K over F. By using this result, we will get the degree of extension of splitting field for the polynomial fx over q. We have the splitting field q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 alpha over q is equal to, this degree is q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 alpha over q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 into the degree of extension q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 over q. The first degree of extension is 2, degree of minimal polynomial for alpha, and the second degree of extension is 3, degree of minimal polynomial of 2 raised to 1 by 3. This total degree of extension is 6. Hence, the field q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 q, 2 raised to 1 by 3 alpha consists of all the roots of the polynomial fx. Also, fx factored into linear factor over this field q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 alpha. Therefore, this field q joining 2 raised to 1 by 3 alpha is a splitting field for the polynomial fx over q, and its degree of extension over q is given by 6. Now we see the another example for finding the splitting field of the polynomial given by x raised to 4 minus 2. Example 3. Find the splitting field of f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2. Belong over q and also find its degree of extension. We are given a polynomial f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2 belongs to qx. If we factor this polynomial, then factors of this polynomial are x square minus root 2 into x square plus root 2. This is equal to x minus 2 raised to 1 by 4 into x plus 2 raised to 1 by 4 into x square plus 2 raised to 1 by 2. Observe that 2 raised to 1 by 4 minus 2 raised to 1 by 4 are the roots of the polynomial fx that does not belongs to q, and this polynomial will have roots plus or minus I into 2 raised to 1 by 4 that are complex roots. Hence, the polynomial fx cannot factor linearly over q. Therefore, we get some extension of q that contains all the factors of fx. For that, we have to find the roots of the polynomial fx. Consider x raised to 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies x raised to 4 is equal to 2. This implies x is equal to 2 raised to 1 upon 4. But the degree of fx is 4. Hence, the polynomial have at most 4 roots, may be same or distinct. X is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 4 is only one root for the polynomial fx. We need to find other 3 roots because we want the splitting field of the polynomial fx. Splitting field means the extension of the given field Q which contains all the roots of the polynomial fx and the polynomial fx factored linearly over that extension field of Q. This is only single root. We can consider this as x is equal to 2 into 1 raised to 1 by 4. This means x is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 4 into 1 raised to 1 by 4. 1 raised to 1 by 4 is 4th root of unity, and we know the 4th root of unity is I, the complex number I, because I raised to 1 is I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I, and I raised to 4 is 1, hence the 4th root of unity is I. Or in routine way, we can find the 4th root of unity. Consider the number 1 raised to 1 by 4 as alpha. If alpha is equal to 1 raised to 1 by 4, then this one is nothing but e raised to 0. By Euler's formula, this is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0 raised to 1 upon 4. This is equal to cos of 0 plus 2k pi means 2k pi plus I sin of 0 plus 2k pi means 2k pi raised to 1 by 4. By de Moivre's theorem, one of the value of this is cos of 2k pi upon 4 plus I sin of 2k pi upon 4, and the values of k varying from 0, 1, 2, 3. There are 4 values because this is 4th root of unity, therefore k takes only 4 values. For k equal to 0, suppose the value of alpha is alpha 0, we get alpha 0 is, for k equal to 0, we will get cos 0 plus I sin 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, therefore alpha 0 is 1. For k equal to 1, alpha 1 is given by, for k equal to 1, this expression will be cos 2 pi by 4, means cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value is 0 and sin pi by 2 value is 1, therefore alpha 1 value is I into 1 is I. For the next value of k, say 2, we get the next 4th root of unity called as alpha 2 is equal to, if we put k is equal to 2, then we get cos 4 pi by 4 means cos pi plus I sin 4 pi by 4 means sin pi. Sin pi value is 0, cos pi value is minus 1, hence alpha 2 is equal to minus 1 plus I into 0 is minus 1. For k equal to 3, we get alpha 3 is equal to cos of 3 pi by 4, 6 pi upon 4 plus I sin of 6 pi upon 4. This means cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. That 3 pi by 2 can be arranged as pi plus pi by 2, and cos of pi plus pi by 2 value is plus cos pi by 2. This is equal to cos of pi by 2 plus, and sin of pi plus pi by 2 will be minus sin of pi by 2, minus I is same into sin pi by 2. This value sin pi by 2 is 1, hence the 4th root of unity, last 4th root of unity alpha 4 is given by minus I. Hence we have 4th root of unity 1, I minus 1 and minus I. So the roots of this polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2 equal to 0 are given by x is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 4 is multiple of all fourth root of unity. The first fourth root of unity is alpha 0, 2 raised to 1 by 4 into alpha 0. The second root is 2 raised to 1 by 4 into the next fourth root of unity is alpha 1, 2 raised to 1 by 4 into alpha 2 and 2 raised to 1 by 4 into alpha 3. That is, the roots of the polynomial fx are given by 2 raised to 1 by 4, value of alpha 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 by 4 into alpha 1 is value is I, means I into 2 raised to 1 by 4. The next root is minus 2 raised to 1 by 4 and the last root of the polynomial fx is minus I into 2 raised to 1 by 4. You have all the four roots of the polynomial fx, hence you get the splitting field of the polynomial fx. The extension field of Q, which contains all the roots of the polynomial fx. The smallest extension field of Q that contains all the roots of the polynomial fx, or fx is factored into linear factor over that field, is given by Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 and I. Because this field is generated by two elements 2 raised to 1 by 4 and I over Q. Roots of the polynomial fx consist of the elements. One of the element is complex number, other is irrational number 2 raised to 1 by 4 and I. Hence the extension of the field Q, which is the splitting field for the polynomial fx, is formed by the finitely generated extension by 2 raised to 1 by 4 I over Q is the splitting field of x raised to 4 minus 2. Now we find the degree of extension of this field over Q, but we know the degree of extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 I over Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4. This degree of extension is the degree of minimal polynomial for I, because I belongs to extension of this field. Therefore this degree of extension is degree of minimal polynomial for I, which is 2. The degree of minimal polynomial for I is x square plus 1 and its degree is 2. Also the degree of extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 over Q is equal to the degree of minimal polynomial for 2 raised to 1 by 4 or the degree of the algebraic element 2 raised to 1 by 4 over Q. And its minimal polynomial is x raised to, if we consider beta is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 4, and if we take the fourth power of this equation, we will get beta raised to 4 is equal to 2. Therefore the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2 is satisfied by the element beta, which is 2 raised to 1 by 4. Therefore the minimal polynomial for 2 raised to 1 by 4 is x raised to 4 minus 2 and its degree is 4, hence this degree of extension is 4. Therefore by using the result, degree of E over F is equal to degree of extension of E over K into degree of extension of K over F. Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 I over Q joining 2 raised to 1 by over Q is equal to the degree of extension of Q joining 2 raised to 1 by 4 I over the field Q 2 raised to 1 by 4 into the degree of extension of Q 2 raised to 1 by 4 over Q. This degree of extension is 2 into this degree of extension is 4. Hence the degree of extension of the splitting field of the polynomial fx over q is 8. This field consists of all the roots. As 2 raised to 1 by 4 and I belongs to q belongs to this field, therefore the product of the element being filled, the product of the element 2 raised to 1 by 4 into I also belongs to the same field. Hence this field consists of all the roots of the polynomial fx. It is the smallest extension over q generated by the two elements 2 raised to 1 by 4 and I. Hence it is the splitting field of the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 2. Thank you students.